Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a consulting finance business WordPress theme named as Aduma. Okay, so with the help of this theme you will be able to create a very professional looking consulting website, or if you are into finance business you can create a finance website, or if you are running a small business, anything related to your marketing, you can also create that business website. So let me show you what are the different templates and demo pages which these people provide you, because as it's written it will provide you 20 plus homepage design, which is a big deal, right? Many of themes doesn't provide you that much amount of home pages, right? You, and the best part about it is like you can literally import the whole website of the demo content with only single click. Isn't that great? I am not sure why this website isn't opening, because there must be server problem from their official website. Okay, I will just show you how you can literally import the whole website on your domain. Okay, let's just stick with me till the end of this video. Okay, so first of all you need to buy this theme from the official website or anywhere. If you want to get it somehow, you know how to get it. I would rather suggest you to go with the official theme, or you can just hover around on the internet to get a GPL version also if you want to try and test it out. Okay, so let's come back to the our website where we have to install this theme. So we are going to install this theme. So basically we are going to install this theme on our demo domain. Okay, so this is my demo website, freshly installed WordPress on my domain. So let's install the theme. Okay, first of all you need to log into your dashboard. If you don't know how to log into your dashboard, it's pretty simple. You just need to type wp admin just after your URL /wp admin, to be very precisely correct, and it will be redirect you to the dashboard. Okay, so if you are logging in for the first time, it will ask you for the username and password which you have entered while you were installing WordPress on your cPanel. Fair enough. Okay, so once you are entered here, this is called the backend or the dashboard of your website. On the left hand side you will see multiple settings on the menu bar. If you see the under the setting hood, you will find general settings, reading writing settings, discussion settings, and permalink. So with the help of permalink you can literally set up the whole website links structure, URL structure, and under the tools section you will be able to get the tools for import, export, and you can check your site health and everything and all that. Okay, so under the user section you will be able to create multiple user and assign them different role. Okay, so hope you get that thing. And under the plugin section you will be able to add and delete new plugins. So basically plugins are some files with the help of which you will be able to add some extra functionalities to your website. That's pretty amazing, right? And under the appearance section you will find themes, menus, customization. So basically you can deal everything under the appearance section when it comes to theme. Okay, so basically we are going to install our theme, so you get an idea, right, where to add new theme. Under the appearance hood you will find theme, click on theme, and as you can see I have already uploaded the theme, but I will tell you how you can upload and activate. This theme isn't activated. The 2020 theme is activated right now on our website. So to add the theme you need to click on add new, and here we have to upload the theme. But first of all, as you can see, WordPress provide you by default n numbers of free themes. As you can see, over 4,000 free theme has been provided by WordPress. But the thing is, there are a lot of difference between free theme and paid theme. Let me explain you very shortly. Free theme is not that much responsive, or I should say like there are very less option to customize your theme in the free theme, or design your theme as per your need. But the thing is, when it comes to designing and creating new things in the premium theme, there are a way lot of flexible, right? And the conversion rate in the premium theme are pretty high compared to free theme. So I generally prefer, if you have a little bit of budget to invest in the initial stage of your business, always invest that money into a really good theme, right? Hope you get my point. So if you have now you have the theme on your system, it's time to upload it. So let's add the theme, select the choose file, and we have to select this Aduma and install now. The installation process totally depend upon your internet speed. Just wait for a couple of seconds and it will be uploaded. So basically I don't want to upload it because I have already uploaded it. As you can see, it is here. I just need to activate it. Okay, once the activation is completed successfully, as you can see, the theme has been activated successfully on your website. Let's see how our website looks right now. It's pretty basic, nothing much of a fancy, no footer at all. The header is pretty basic, nothing much. Okay, so it's time to install some demo content. But before installing a demo content, you need to install some recommended plugins. As you can see, our theme is giving us some kind of notification to install some certain plugins. Okay, So basically, what are recommended plugin? A theme consists of multiple functionality, and each and every functionality is totally depending upon some kind of certain plugin. And if that particular certain plugin is missing out from a theme file, then that particular function won't work properly. For example, if you have a slider in your theme, and if you miss out to add the slider plugin from your theme in your theme, then the slider won't work properly. Hope you get my point. So whenever a theme suggests you or gives you notification to install some kind of certain plugin, never ignore that. Always install all the plugin. So as you can see, I have already installed it. I just need to activate it. The process is literally same. I have just installed the plugins. You just have to once you have installed, I would suggest you to activate all the plugin. Always go to this section, plugin, installed plugin, because this particular section don't take that much amount of time. Select all, activate all, and it will be activated within couple of seconds. Let's wait for it. As you can see, all the plugin has been activated successfully, and it's time to install the demo content, right? So if you hover to the tool section, and you will see install demo section, click on this, and here is the demo content which we are going to install. Here is the option where you can only import the media file, post type, and theme option. I would generally suggest you to select all, because it will extract everything in the demo content, and click on install and OK. It will take a couple of time. You just have to wait for it, and once the installation of import is completed, the whole website will be changed. Let's wait for it. As you can see, import has been completed successfully. Let me show you how our website looks right now. Okay, hovering over to the new dashboard. Okay, let's see how our website looks right now. I'm pretty excited about it because I know how it will look. Okay, so as you can see, this is the main slider section where your main slider will visible, and the main menu is quite often on a different location. Generally, we never see main menu here, but still it's looking amazing, right? If you scroll down, you will see other sections as well. Everything is beautifully designed. If you talk about that, like you see development, design, photograph, everything is perfectly aligned in a well organized manner, and you get a really amazing professional looking footer as well. And if I talk about the mobile view, it is also mobile responsive. If you check it out, right, everything is so much responsive that you will love this theme for your particular business. Okay, and let's see how the other pages are doing. If I go to here, pricing table, and if I'm sure there must be a good pricing table. As you can see, the pricing table is so beautifully designed that you can add your product or anything which you want to be in the premium package. Okay, and if I see the contact page, I'm sure there must be a good contact page as well. If you scroll down, yes, there is a perfectly designed contact page as well. So I guess you get a rough idea how you can get this theme and install, and just install the demo content as well. I hope you really like this video. I'm going to wrap this video up. If you really like this video, just give it a big fat thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one.